Ethereum rejected a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Once again, we have been absolutely killing it in our Telegram channel. This is just another reminder for those of you that haven't joined yet. We are providing daily updates on charts of all your favorite coins as well as your favorite trades. So make sure to check out the link in the bio if you want to make. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we have rejected a very key resistance level here at 1718. Which of course isn't really a surprise because of how many bearish engulfing candles we saw, but we were trading off weekend volume, which I wanted to confirm of course today is whether or not this was a fake out or a stronger continuation will happen on Ethereum. Now we are retesting our major support level here at 1658, and looking at previous price analysis, I want you guys to pay attention to something. You guys already know that from previous price we ended up retesting our 1421 support level before we ended up getting those highs at 1787. Now at the current price range, we already saw that massive dump opportunity. We talked about this massive bar formation playing out, and I mentioned to you guys of course that if this bar formation plays out, our main target remains at 1421. As of right now though, you can see of course that CPI data came in right down here. We saw some bullish move sets and we saw a very nice V-shaped formation continuation. The problem is we never really ended up retesting our 1421 because of the macro environment with news. So right now I'm looking at the current price range, and of course I mentioned in Telegram many times, as long as we hold above the 1658 range, we do have a bullish case scenario. This has become an extremely difficult choppy range to trade, and of course I mentioned to just sit on the sidelines until we get a clean breakout formation. But the fact is that the bulls can't break above the 1718 level to try to get those highs at 1787. If we do end up breaking 1658, this massive bar formation on the 4-hour now has been formed, and we could be looking for a possible retracement right back down into the 1518 range. And of course you guys already know the 1518 range of course is a very strong support slash resistance. Every time we end up breaking that support level, we tend to see a massive move on Ethereum towards the downside, as well as that every time we end up breaking above it, we tend to see a very strong bullish case scenario. The problem is right now, the fact that we keep retesting 1658 in terms of a support level, the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking, and this is exactly why I'm sitting on the sidelines. I want to see a clean break to 1787 and then look for those shorting positions, but of course the fact that we've tested this level multiple times and have failed to break above it is not looking good for Ethereum overall. Even here in terms of the hourly time frame, you can see of course that this is now the third test opportunity. The fact that we are testing our exponential moving averages as resistance is a clean confirmation for a shorting position, and ideally our take profit level remains at 1612 if this range is broken. Any clean break below this level, of course you can see that we saw some very nice manipulation candles breaking towards the upside without any sort of pullback. We were using our exponential moving averages as support, and this as of right now is a disgusting bar formation that is looking out to play. Of course we have to be very careful because we don't want to try to get caught within this range. So any clean confirmation below 1658 retest as resistance is that beautiful confirmation we're looking for. But of course, for those of you that are a little bit more conservative, you can start looking for somewhat of a short position down here at 1612 to possibly ride down to 1518, assuming we break 1612. Our overall take profit level from the bearish case scenario remains at this range at 1658 to 1612. Something like this could definitely play out, but I told you guys this many times that we are still looking for that 1421 range to actually be tested before the 1787. If of course we end up breaking below our exponential moving averages on the daily time frame as well, this is not going to look good for Ethereum overall, because the last time we ended up doing that, you can see that in one day we saw a massive drop for almost $150 on Ethereum. I don't want to see the same sort of repetitive move, of course, because of the fact that once we grab that liquidity at 1787, then we have a strong bearish case scenario, because you can see of course from previous previous price analysis, this range acts as a very strong magnet. We saw multiple retest opportunities of 1787, and once we got that 3-wick confirmation, then we started looking for that shorting position. But trying to short in the current range that we currently are at is extremely difficult and extremely choppy. I personally don't like entering ranges that are halfway through. I like entering ranges that, of course, once we retest those resistance levels, it's a lot easier to enter those trades. So right now I'm going to be sitting on the sidelines and seeing how Ethereum plays out. Of course, right now things are not looking good from the bullish case scenario, and we are starting to see more and more bearish engulfing candles. So in terms of a take profit level from a break for a perspective, if we end up breaking 1658, it would be remain down here on this 20 exponential moving average at 1612. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.